There we go, close up. Hey, wave, Marilee! There she is. And here's down the street. It's nice and sunny. Turned Arctic in a certain way. Not many icicles up there. Just a few up there, but not bad. And we're pouring heat into the air. Let me see if I can get you a sense of how deep the snow is. That's an idea, but not really a very good one. We come down here. Hi.
Hi, honey.
Now, how cold is it?
Only about 2. It's not bad. The sun makes it feel really quite warm.
And how hard is it to be out here shoveling?
Actually, I worked up a sweat.
And what's the mayor been telling us to do?
Help each other.
Help our neighbors get out.
He's a good mayor. I like RT Rybak.
He's asked us on the news today to help the city plows by shoveling out cars. Now, Marilee's we just finished our car on the street, so you can see that it's our neighbor has a snowplow. This guy in this house. His name's Leif, Scandinavian name, Leif Andersson, and he has come around. Now here's a big old truck, and he is hauling a car right now. Oh. Has to wait for that car. Now he's gonna go. No? Who's gonna go? Him? Or him? Him? Or him? Nobody wants to go. Or him. There we go. There's a passenger getting out. There's a pedestrian running across the way. Get out of the way. And now he gets to go. Yeah, that's alright. That's Bobby and Steve's, I think. People on the other side of the street are being towed because it's dangerous. Oh, there goes the truck. You can be able to go. Bobby and Steve. Awesome. That car was clearly in a place where either they needed to get towed or it was dangerous, because the city of Minneapolis has done an amnesty last night and then this morning. If you're stuck outdoors, your car is stuck outdoors and it has no place to park, they'll leave you alone. They won't tow you, they won't ticket you unless there's a particular problem with the public safety or access for the plows. So you can tell, you come over here, these cars have in the last few hours pulled in and dug holes or just rammed the car in. That car's been here a while. And here's our car. And our car, Marilee and I have been out here for maybe 45 minutes shoveling the car out so that when we need to get out at about 12:30, we can just back the car up. And let me see if I can get this out. Yeah. We back out and we just drive out that little chute onto this road. And let's see how passable that road is. It's okay. We'll get through it. But there's some big ridges in the middle, like right here. if these get too tall, then it's very hard to get down the street. But right now it looks like there have been enough trucks and cars. There's like that one. Let's go look at that one a little bit closer. Oh, there's some oncoming traffic. So you can see that that car's wheels are spinning and spinning and spinning. I might have to get out here and shove up here a little bit. Help this little red car get through the hump. Oh, he's stuck. Oh, there he goes. He's smart enough just to keep trying, don't give up, and don't gun the engine. So, there was a snowplow just about a block away coming through the neighborhood now. You can tell the right side of this street you can park, and we've cleared out all the cars that are on the left side of the street. And the same thing on this. The right side of the street you can park, the left side is empty. The right side has to be empty, and the left side you can park. Let's see if I can get any closer. Oh, I'm not going to walk all the way down there. It's starting to get cold. Regis is out there with his little red shovel, his red and black shovel, doing his thing. Here, I'm going to pull back. This is the tar paper house. The kind of architecture that you see up on the Iron Range up there in Minnesota, northern Minnesota. And here's the classic stucco duplex right there. Actually, it's a triplex. They put somebody in the basement, and you can tell it's a rental because they got icicles on the roof. They aren't putting all the money into the installation because they just pass the cost of the heat right on to the renters. Yeah, that's for sure. And then we come up here. Oh, this is a renter's house too. The owners bought a house down at the river. A nice, beautiful property. And now they have this. There's a bunch of MIT graduates in here. They work for the medtech industries, and they are just renting. But I give them credit. They're smart. Obviously, they put some salt down, and they helped by shoveling. Now, this whole thing here, Leif Anderson did this, if you remember. And that is, here's the Tom. Tom, he's done his duty. He's done all down here a little bit of a path, but he's figuring out yet when he's going to do the whole sidewalk down to the street. Yeah. All right, here we go. And here comes a couple of college students. And then we're going to take off here. I love college students. And here's our path. Okay. Well, that's it from Minnesota. The land of the free. The home of the brave. And the house with the sweaty parents who've been shuffling for a few hours.